And lacing up the gloves, bringing it to boxing action at JackHammer UK.
Yeah, this
making
next
their
fight
way
I've
to
been
the
looking
blue
forward to.
corner, Christian Clewley.
Charlie Lawrence facing off against Christian Clewley. Charlie's been
Making their way to the red corner, Charlie Lawrence.
Yeah, Charlie's looking cool, calm and collected. He's unfazed. He's no stranger to a scrap, this fella. As I said to you before, Charlie's undefeated. 3 fights, 3-0. Can he extend that to another one?
Reintroducing in the blue corner, he is representing Unleashed. His name is Christian Clewley.
You can expect fireworks from this one.
And in the red corner, he is representing Undisputed Fight Academy. His name is Charlie Lawrence.
Yeah, it's one of them shots. You know it's coming, but you just can't stop it. And if you're caught on the other end of it, you're going to know about it. Seconds out.
Round one.
Oh, good left hand there from Charlie. That one landed, and again. Charlie's corner asking for straight shots. Can he comply? Oh, there it is. That left hand's like a homing missile. Every time he throws it, it lands. Oh.
Nice job from Charlie.
Yeah, he's only throwing one shot though. There's not much combination work going off. I'd like to see him up the tempo a little bit. Oh, good overhand left. And the uppercut as well. But Christian lands multiple punches of his own. Oh, I can see a stoppage coming here. Every time he throws that left hand, it lands. Christian is having success though.
Charlie's got a cut above his right eye there. Let's see what his corner can do with that.
That was time after a fiery round of
Yeah, Christian Evans a little bit more success though because he's throwing the combinations. He's not just throwing the big one shot. Charlie's just hoping that left hand lands, which it is landing. But he needs to up the tempo a little bit.
Let's just hope that left hand on.
Seconds out.
Yeah, heavy shots have been landed so far.
Round 2.
Christian really needs to be careful of that left hand.
Oh, and again, there it is. Charlie definitely has the power advantage. But Christian is throwing a little bit more.
He's throwing more combinations into it, but Charlie's landing the bigger shots.
Yeah. And when it's like that, it makes it really hard to score. Charlie is open to that left up. He's keeping that right hand really low.
Have we got a cut from Christian there?
His nose. That was a really good left hand from Charlie. Oh, that rocked him.
Let's see if Charlie can follow through with this.
Yeah, that wobbled Christian there. His legs buckled.
I think he's still hurt.
Yeah, Charlie's visibly tired though. He's slowed down quite significantly.
Charlie keeps staying busy, popping that jab out. Sorry.
Yeah, he's doing the job with the jab, really. He's loading that left hand up.
He's having great success with that left hand.
He is, but he's loading it up.
Oh, lovely. Straight on the jawline. Christian coming back with his own though. Great first round.
And that's time! This is 3 rounds, 2 minutes each, boxing at JackHammer UK. Seconds out. This is your 3rd and final round.
Yeah, both fighters are tired.
Oh, lovely.
Really good left hand from Charlie, but Christian returns with a good overhand right.
I think someone's going to sleep in this round, I'm going to be honest.
Well, one thing's for sure, the crowd isn't, because this one's a banger.
Action-packed fight. I want to see these fighters a bit more busier.
Christian's going to have a right black eye in the morning.
It's already showing now.
Oh!
Body head.
Really good right hand there from Christian.
Oh, he's hurt. But he didn't follow through with it.
No, he's just throwing the one shot.
He needs to follow through with that shot.
He needs to up his tempo.
He's got him seriously hurt.
And again, yeah.
And that is
Yeah,
time.
great fight.
I think Charlie Lawrence has edged that one though.
Yeah, definitely.
Christian really didn't like that power from that left hand.
Not many people do.
No.
I know for a fact I don't.
I don't either.
Boxing action at JackHammer UK. Make some noise.
Yeah, that was a great fight. Christian definitely with the higher volume, higher tempo, and more of a flurry of punches. But Charlie, it's like a truck. Definite power advantage for Charlie.
He's like the English Deontay Wilder.
The judge's decision is in.
It is, to be honest, yeah.
And your winner by unanimous decision is in the red corner, Charlie